Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into Boo dating application using your smartphone. First of all, open the Boo application on your device and you'll land in this welcome screen. Go ahead and choose a login method to sign into your account. Boo offers several login options, that is continue with Google, Apple for iPhone users, or you can also continue with email. Select the method you used to create your account. Since I created an account for Boo with my email, I'm gonna choose continue with email. On the next page, write down your email address that you registered Boo with and click on confirm. You'll receive a login link sent to your provided email inbox. Open up your email service provider and click open the email from Boo. Now, you will see sign in option, tap on it, and you will be logged in to your Boo account. If you've previously used Google or Apple options, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your account by choosing the same option while logging in as well. And there you have it. You have successfully logged in to your Boo account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.